Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to actually open up an incognito private mode browser on Opera GX. Now it's a very easy process, just simply follow my steps and let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is actually open up your Opera X browser. Now from here this will open up, and here you can't just simply right click the plus icon or anything else to open up a private window. Now what you want to do is go to the top corner, the left top corner, right click it, simply press it, and from there open up a new private window. Now as you can see here, opens up an incognito mode window, and that's it. Now you can delete the other one and go in and save browsing without any history or cookies involved. Now if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching.